Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can add quickly rows and columns in Google Sheets. So let's get straight into it. So we will start with rows. So how you can do that? Uh, how I do it is if I go right here and I will select let's say these last two of rows. Now what I can do, right click here where you see the blue color 26 and 27, right click with your mouse. Now as you can see here, you can insert two rows above, insert two rows below. So I will go with insert two rows above because then we will see a difference, and I will hit it right now. And as you can see, now we have two more rows right here. Now what I can do with columns, how I can add them. So I will also select those two last one here and right click with the mouse, and you will see insert two columns left. So I can do that, and voila. Now I basically have all two columns more because this one is combined as you is I merged two cells together. So this is why here are now two columns. And this is basically it. This is how you can quickly add rows and columns in Google Sheets. Play a little bit around what you prefer above or below. It totally depends on you and what you want to do, but this is how you can add quickly rows and columns. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.